Are you wondering how to get rich in stock markets? Well, the secret lies in the power of compounding. You see, compounding is a magical tool that can turn small investments into vast fortunes over time. Let me explain how it works. Firstly, what is compounding? Compounding is when the returns you earn from your investments are reinvested and start generating their own returns. It's like a snowball effect, where your money grows exponentially. To get rich in the stock markets, you need to start investing early and be patient. Time is a critical factor in compounding. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. And the longer your investment remains untouched, the more it can compound. Next, it's important to invest consistently. Regularly setting aside a portion of your income for investing will help you take advantage of compounding. Even if you can only invest a small amount, initially it's better than not investing at all. Over time, your investments will multiply, and you'll be amazed at the results. Diversification is also key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different stocks, sectors, and even geographical regions, you can mitigate risk and increase your chances of earning higher returns. This way, even if some of your investments don't perform well, others might make up for it. Lastly, it's crucial to stay informed and make informed investment decisions. Keep yourself updated with market trends, company news, and economic indicators. This knowledge will help you choose the right stocks to invest in and optimize your returns. So there you have it. The secret to getting rich in stock markets lies in the power of compounding. Start early, invest consistently, diversify, and stay informed. Remember, success in the stock market is not about overnight riches, but about long-term wealth creation. So be patient and let the power of compounding work its magic for you.